remind you how the days that stay fire. I've got nothing going to hold. Looking for a place to make me feel so good. Can't stop thinking about her. I can't stop thinking about her. I can't stop thinking about her. I can't stop feeling into her. There will never ever be like this girl. Says into her. And I don't wanna hide this love. Oh, ito na. Hindi na false alarm. Please welcome the Gen Z superstar, Bel Mariano.
Hello!
klase dito sa dance map. Pwede ba tayo muna mag-picture sa kanila? Dito muna tayo. Mas may muna yung kanila. 3, 2, 1, smile! Alright guys, well first of all, just want to say thank you din kasi I know we've been going around promoting this movie. Pero yung dance mo yung last stop namin bago mag-reunion. Yes, and we're super blessed kasi nakasama namin yung lahat sa journey nito. Siyempre kami nabilig na hindi pa namin alam kung anong next na mangyayari. Pero sobrang proud kami at sobrang grateful kami sa inyong lahat. Dahil nakasama namin kayo sa journey nito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys for being with us every step of the way. I know you know this is the last stop before the premiere night and you guys really showed up. So thank you so much. From Nueva Ecija, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. From Antipolo, SUDM, Pampanga, Cavite. Maraming po lang kayo.
Maraming salamat po sa support niyo. You know, the only na year this year, sabi nga dito, this family will always stay.
And we hope you guys are excited for our movie. Kasi sobrang po namin hindi na makuha yun. Binigay ko lang yung lahat para sa inyo. At alam nyo, nung 2018, nung 2019 pa. Basta, nung naging tayo. Ito ako lang sa makakita natin. So we said, since this is our last stop before the premiere night, we want to sing with you. Is that okay? If you guys have to sing with us. At kaya din natin kayo tinatawag na Bobbies. Thank you guys. We love you all. This one's for you. Sing with us.
May basket na pumasok sa gitna.
Belinda. Thank you guys. Grabe ang magandang surprise. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Ibang klase kayo. Maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Kita-kits po tayo sa mga cinemas this May 27. Can we have one more photo with this? Thank you. Sama photo.